Mini has launched the Countryman C in India. It's an SUV and is also going to be made in India. Launched at a starting price of 47.5 lakhs, ex-showroom that is. It comes with a 1.5-liter twin-power turbo engine that delivers 156 horsepower and 240 Newton meters of torque. But what are the color options that you get with the Mini Countryman C? Let's take a rundown of all the colors that you can choose one for yourself. Well, to start with, the Countryman C will be offered in a total of 5 colors. And what we're starting with is definitely the smoky green. That's my favorite out of the lineup. Doesn't have to be yours, but definitely the one that looks the most striking to me. I think that entire way the colors play off each other, especially the metallic surfaces paired with that shade of green, is definitely something that strikes a definite look and a definite chord, from an emotional standpoint. Then we've got British Racing Green. Now this obviously is a throwback to Mini's heritage, their British heritage, and this is a green unlike no other. Definitely going to be a popular choice, I feel, because it looks really good on the Countryman C. The dual tone look, the blacked out roof with that green body just definitely stands out. Next we have the Nanook White. It's a very unique white, not really your off-white, but a really bright sort of white that again I think might be popular given the fact that a lot of people in India love their white SUVs, and the white on the Mini does look good. With the vehicle that we have over here on display, it's got a little bit of these black accents on it to sort of just give it a little bit more character and add a hint of sportiness. But overall, I think the white might just find itself being number 2 on my popularity chart. Coming to the 4th color, this is again a rather unique one. This is the slate blue. Now, slate blue, it's kind of, how would I describe it? It looks almost denim-like. And this one is, again, something that looks great, stands out. The metallic parts, again, finished in that brushed chrome look, really look good against this color. Gives it a slightly more premium, more upmarket look compared to the white or the green, which is more sporty in that nature. And that also, works for the Mini. I think that it caters to a whole different audience. And if you are looking for something that's slightly more subtle, yet still a Mini, maybe the slate blue would be your choice over there. And last but not the least is the chili red. Now this is again one of those colors that probably only looks good on a Mini, and it carries it off really well. Red is again something that sort of signifies sportiness, youthfulness, and just has that sort of naughty appeal that Mini is known for. And over here with that entire two-tone look, works really well despite the size of the new Countryman C. It has grown, it's become bigger, but yet it can still pull off these flavors in terms of colors really well. The chili red, I don't know. For me, it might be number 3 on my list. So with a total of 5 colors to choose from, of course, Mini has done their selection quite well. They've ensured that each and every one of these colors sort of caters to the brand philosophy, or ties into the heritage, like the green over here. But what I want to know is, which color do you like the most? Which one would you put your money down for? Or which one would you just fancy seeing on the road? Let me know in the comments below.